Dust off regularly. Unlocking the essence of maintenance. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a very practical phrase that often pops up in daily conversations and maintenance advice. Dust off regularly. Understanding this phrase is not just about learning new words, but also about grasping the cultural and practical importance of regular care and maintenance. Let's explore together. Dust off regularly is a phrase that combines two key actions, dusting off and doing it regularly. To dust off means to remove dust or dirt from a surface, typically using a cloth, duster, or even a soft brush. When we say regularly, we're talking about doing something on a consistent and routine basis. This could mean daily, weekly, or at intervals that ensure the object or area remains clean and functional. Why should we dust off regularly? Dust accumulation can lead to several problems. It can damage sensitive equipment, reduce the aesthetic appeal of objects, and even aggravate allergies. Regular dusting helps in maintaining a clean, healthy, and pleasing environment. It's not just about cleanliness. It's also about preserving the lifespan and functionality of our belongings. Here are some practical tips to effectively dust off. Use the right tools. Soft cloths, microfiber dusters, or specially designed brushes can trap and remove dust more efficiently. Follow a routine. Decide on a dusting schedule that fits your lifestyle and stick to it. Be thorough. Don't just clean the surfaces that are visible. Remember to dust off less obvious places where dust tends to accumulate, like under appliances and on top of shelves. Safe cleaning products. If needed, use safe cleaning products that do not damage the surface or leave harmful residues. Understanding dust off regularly goes beyond its literal meaning. It's a reminder of the importance of regular care and maintenance in our lives. This could apply to physical objects, personal health, relationships, or even skills and knowledge. Keeping things clean and in good working order is a practice of mindfulness and responsibility. We hope this exploration of the phrase, dust off regularly, has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also inspired you to incorporate the essence of regular maintenance into various aspects of your life. Remember, a little effort in keeping things clean and well-maintained can go a long way in ensuring their longevity and value. Thank you for joining us today, and happy learning!